Is Thor your favorite character? Well, let me show you his biggest fan. This guy basically ruined his whole Camaro and put photos of Thor everywhere on the engine bay and underneath this bonnet here. You even have a figurine, a few Mjolnirs here. But basically, what he's done with the exterior work is where I think he's really overdone it, especially the interior. As look at it, it's all red and black with some lightning bolts here and there. So Thor photos, you can see them pretty much everywhere, even on the inside of the doors. Now coming to the boot, oh boy, it is too much. So you have a TV screen here, you have speakers here, you have the complete sound system here, you even have Thor written in the middle of the boot in case you forgot what this car is all about. So coming to the steering wheel, you even have a photo of an axe there, and yeah, the seats are matching the paint job. You even have Thor written on the seats. Anyway, this wrap of red and black design, it's a little too much. I would not have this wrap on it if I wanted to on a Thor. I would rather go for a black and silver sort of a look, and without the Lamborghini doors. I don't need Lamborghini doors on Camaro. Look at this Dodge Charger. It's inspired by Joker, and this is also pretty insane. The interior of this car is overdone as well, but I have a separate video for that. I just wanted to show you this Thor Camaro for now. And I like this artwork on the doors. I would have had, just this on the door and nothing much on the car if it were mine. So I have a lot of other modified GTRs here. I'll be making videos of those as well, not for each and every car of course, but I do recommend watching a video of this car. I have it on my channel. I just recently uploaded it. It's amazing. This car is awesome. I love the color combination. The gray and the green, they go very well together. I also have a video of a Dodge Charger inspired by Harley Quinn.